Welcome to Sabbu's kitchen. Soup by itself is an enjoyable appetizer. Soup sticks would surely add to its taste. Today from Sabbu's kitchen preparing soup sticks.
The ingredients are maida 2 cups, water 3/4 cup, salt 1 spoon, till 1 tablespoon, butter 1½ tablespoon, milk powder 3 tablespoons, yeast 1 spoon, sugar 2 tablespoons, butter 1 spoon and milk 1 tablespoon for brushing. From 3/4 cup of water, take 1/4 cup and warm it. Add sugar and yeast, mix it well, keep it aside for 10 minutes for proofing. Mix maida, milk powder and salt. After 10 minutes of proofing, the yeast mixture should look like this. Add the maida mixture and mix it well. Add remaining half cup of water and continue mixing. Knead the dough for 10 minutes, add butter in between. After 10 minutes of kneading, press the dough using your finger. If the dough comes back to its original shape, the dough is ready for baking. If not, continue kneading for another 2 minutes and check it again. Take a little bit of dough and roll it into long sticks. Apply a little bit of oil to your hand to avoid sticking. Roll the sticks over till seeds. Mix milk and butter for brushing and apply it on the sticks. Preheat the OTG or oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. For pressure cooker, medium flame for 10 minutes. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees. Soup sticks is ready to serve with hot soup. You can try it with my palak soup recipe.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.